Good evening everyone. I'm back here in the Balayco game site to check progress of the contractor's work. So right now, the backhoe is already being staged for full excavation. So as you will notice, stockpiles are building up already. No? And this will be returned later on after the pouring of concrete in the foundation. So going back here in the right side, so you see the stirrups, prefabricated stirrups in preparation for uh, constructing the column rivers. So also here, you can see rivers for the main footing of the buildings. Basically, most of the footings will have the same diameter of rivers to be used with variable sizes and spacing based on the structural analysis of the engineer. So let's go deeper on the side. Right now it's becoming the space is being begin to tight. Okay, so one of the corner coatings will be built here or and this will have more or less 2 meters deep of excavation. Okay, so the three main footings are already excavated. So you will see there the footing reverse. Earlier today, this afternoon, by the way, the structural came in and made some revisions to augment the change of floor that the owner has suggested. So that will be followed up later with shop drawings for proper backtracking later. So here is the third footing excavation for the corner columns. So right there, the first two columns that was constructed prior to pandemic closure. Okay, so this machine here makes it possible for the work of the contractor to be more efficient and faster. As you can see, ano sa naabot? Gani
Gabi sir, gabi.
Yan, nagsugod og excavate.
Ganang buntag.
Okay, so they started excavating these three footings just this morning. Okay, and at the end of work, this is now the progress. So it's totally different from merely using mano-mano workforce. So this massive machine here is a big help.